Often, when we buy a respirator or mask, we focus on its effectiveness and if it has good filters or layers of protection. How many times have we checked if the respirator we are wearing is fitting our face properly? Each one of us has a unique face size and profile, and sometimes a standard respirator size or style is not the best fit for everyone. So even if the mask has the best filters in it, it will be incapable of providing the user with any protection if it does not fit its face right. IS 9623, which enforces laws for workers' respiratory protections, makes it mandatory for people to check the fit of the respirators. Physical conditions can alter the structure of the person's face and fit to the respirator. Fit testing of the respirator confirms the fit of any respirator and ensures that it forms a tight seal on the user's face. A properly fitted mask allows the user to receive the expected level of protection and minimizes containment leakage from outside the face piece. Even short periods of exposures can reduce the protection provided against harmful contaminants. Hence, a fit test can save time and reduces workplace-induced injuries. Fit test can be conducted on all face-sealing respirators. That is, all respirators that provide a complete seal around the face. Hence, a fit test cannot be conducted on a pleated mask, which is used for barrier protection of fluids and is not a face-sealing respirator. It is useful to note fit testing is a measure of the fit of a respirator and not of the respirator efficiency. There are two commonly used methods of conducting a fit test: quantitative fit testing and qualitative fit testing. Qualitative face fit testing. Qualitative fit testing uses a challenge agent such as Bitrex and the respirator wearer's sense of taste to determine if the respirator has a good fit. To start the test, add half a teaspoon of sensitivity solution into the sensitivity nebulizer. Put test hood on the person. Ask the person to breathe through their mouth. With their tongue at the front, slowly squeeze solution into the hood and count the number of squeezes it takes for the solution to be tasted, and ask them to indicate immediately when they taste the solution. Ask the person to take a drink of water and wait until the taste has cleared, making sure that they wipe their lips to remove any traces of solution. Stop the test if solution is not tasted after 30 squeezes. If the fit is poor, the respirator wearer will taste the challenge agent during testing. If not, the wearer will not taste the agent during the test. Thus, to sum it up, qualitative fit testing is a subjective fit test method, meaning that the result is a pass or fail based on the self-reported feedback of the respirator wearer. Hence, for more comprehensive results, conducting a quantitative fit testing is recommended. Quantitative face fit testing. The equipment required for the quantitative fit test are a face mask, the probing tools, the probes to fit inside the mask, and the POTA account equipment. Before commencing a test, we should make sure the room is of adequate size, good lighting, no trip hazards, and the air conditioning is switched off. To start the test, turn on the POTA count device. To probe the mask, you need your probing tool and your probe. Insert the probe over the top of your probing tool. Get the second part of your probing tool and insert the locking nut. Take the probe to the inside of the mask and penetrate from inside to outside of the mask, and be careful not to pierce your finger. Then, apply your locking nut to the outside of the mask and push both probing tools together. This will ensure the probe is securely fitted to the mask. A few precautions to be taken before we perform the test is one, that we haven't had anything to eat, drink or smoke in the last 45 minutes. We are medically fit to perform this test, and we have been given training and instruction in how to don the respirator properly. The first step is taking the neck straps over the head, making sure one of the straps sits at the bottom of your neck and the second strap sits at the back of the crown of your head. Make sure your chin is firmly inside the chin cup, and then make sure that the release button at your nose is pushed firmly into place. The mask is now ready for the test. Attach the sample hose to the probing mask. There are 7 exercises as part of this test, each one lasting 80 seconds with a 60-second in-mask sample time. The first test is just normal breathing. For the start of the next exercise, we shall hear a beep from the machine. In the next exercise, we are going to do deep breathing as part of the test. On the beep of the machine, we move on to the next exercise. That is your head left and right, as if you're naturally looking left and right. On the next beep of the machine, what we need to do is to naturally look up and back down. On the beep, we move on to the speech test. For that, slowly count down from 100 towards 0, as if we were having a natural conversation. On the beep of the machine next, we need to stand still and lean forward so that the mask points down towards the floor, and then back to the standing position. On the next beep of the machine, you go back to normal breathing. On completion of each test, dispose of the face mask. Once the test is complete, you shall get a report detailing the results of each test. You can also request a signed report if required. If the report shows pass, it indicates that the size of the respirator is effective for your face. If the report indicates a failure, the user needs to change the size of the respirator. This shows how quantitative methods allow you to provide a more beneficial fit test in less time. Always conduct a fit test at least once yearly, which shall ensure effectiveness of the respirator. We at Venus can also help you conduct a fit test in your facility. For more information, log on to www.venusohs.com or call our toll-free number for assistance. Thank you.